Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Arshan Sheikh, a student at International Institute of Professional Studies, Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, and I am currently pursuing Integrated Master of Computer Application course. And I am in my fifth semester where I have got a subject of data science, in which I have got an assignment in data science as my third internal examination to prepare videos on the complete course of data science. So in this video, we will discuss about the syllabus we will cover in this course. So firstly, we will have basics of coding in R and Python language. Secondly, we have data preparation. Third, we will explore exploratory data analysis. Then we'll do data preparation phase to model the data. Then we will do model evaluation, naive-Bayes classification, then neural networks, then clustering, then we'll do regression modeling, then we will do dimension reduction, then we will learn about logistic regression modeling, and at last we'll talk about association rules. So for learning this course, stay tuned with me on my YouTube channel. Thank you.